So if you ever find yourself with a pivot table in Google Sheets without a grand total, either here or here, here is how to add it. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to want to click on the pivot table and click on this pencil button from over here. This will open up the pivot table editor, and from over here, you must decide where do you want to see the pivot table grand total. If you want it to sum up the values that you see over here, then go to the row section and click on show totals, and this will calculate the amount of these four numbers together summed up. Otherwise, if you want to have a grand total over here and calculate how much the sales are for the east section, then simply identify the item that you have in the columns and you want to show a grand total, click on show totals, and there you go. This is how to do it. Thanks for watching and see you later.